We are always looking for ways to improve our customers' ownership experience. So we've increased the size of our team, and we're currently offering pickup and delivery for maintenance and repairs, and our customers love it. And the best part, we're performing this service with no additional charge. For customers notified about one of those pesky service recalls, we've added a mobile service vehicle so we can come to your home or office and take care of the minor recalls without interrupting your day, and still at no extra charge. We also have over 30 vehicles in our courtesy loaner fleet to ensure that you stay on the road if your vehicle needs a repair that might take a few days. And for our savvy shoppers, we currently have a limited selection of our previous service loaner vehicles for sale. These cars have low miles, great prices, and they've been driven by our very own customers. Take advantage of these incredible deals on F-150s, Edges, Explorers, Escapes, Bronco Sports, and even a Mustang. So if you're in the market for a vehicle at a budget-friendly price, come visit us and let us show you these great deals. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you soon at Ford of Turlock.